Well, hello everybody, welcome to Monster Pattern Search introduction video. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and a developer of pattern search software. And in today's video, I want to talk about the differences between the harmonic trading approach and advanced formation trading approach. I bet, guys, that many of you don't know this difference, and simple education in this sphere will prevent you from making so many mistakes. It may simple knowledge that the patterns are different and they are traded differently may prevent you from trading errors. Okay, it will be a kind of educational video, and also I will give you an overlook at the software that is available currently at the market in our industry of pattern trading, and we will just compare the features of some of them. Okay, so let us start from the educational part. What is the difference between the harmonic patterns and advanced patterns? And to explain you the difference, let me first stretch the Fibonacci's. This will be Fibonacci for what? For harmonic patterns, and if I copy and paste them, this will be Fibonacci for advanced pattern. Let me enter the drawing mode and I will explain you the difference this way. I will only talk about the Gartley pattern, the Gartley harmonic pattern, and you will see how it is different according to advanced pattern approach. Okay, in harmonic pattern, it is said that the B point ratio should be exact 618. So if we have this movement slightly lower than 618, it is considered that exact 618. If it is slightly higher than 618, then it is considered exact 618. I think you understand. If it is closer to 50, then it is considered a bad pattern, of course. If it is closer to 786, then it is considered a butterfly pattern. But if it is in the middle but slightly closer to 618 rather than to 786, it is a Gartley pattern. Okay, let's place it somewhere in the middle but closer to 618. It is a Gartley pattern according to harmonic approach. With advanced formation approach, it is a bit different. Advanced formation rules say if it hits 50, it is bad pattern. If it hits 618, it is a Gartley pattern. If it doesn't hit 618 even by 1 pip, it is still a bad pattern. If it hits 786, then it is a butterfly pattern, but if it doesn't hit 786 even by 1 pip, it is still a Gartley pattern. You see the Gartley from 618 to 786. So with the same pattern, with the same ratio of B point being 50, I don't know, 59 something, yes, 59 something here, you will have either a Gartley pattern using harmonic approach or a bad pattern using advanced formation approach. Okay, with harmonic approach, we know that the entry is the 786. And with advanced approach, we know that the entry is 886 with this same pattern. Okay, so what else is needed to identify a harmonic pattern? First of all, we measure this leg. This is the A to B leg. Then we look at this BC movement, and then we look at this C to D movement, be the same size as the A to B movement. This is called an ABCD movement, or one-to-one measured move, or equal distance, or whatever. In Scott Carney's books, this price action is called harmonic price action. So one-to-one measured movements are actually harmonic price action, harmonic movements. Okay, in advanced formation we don't have this necessarily, we don't need this. Okay, then with harmonic approach we measure this movement and measure the extension. If we have 161A extension, maybe some 2 extension or whatever, and it lines up perfectly with our levels of 786 and one-to-one measured harmonic movement, then we have a convergence of Fibonacci numbers, and they give us a confluence of Fibonacci. Here we don't need anything. It is much simpler. Okay, what we need to the pattern to stay valid, we need our B2C leg to be at least 382 and not exceed A. So this is the simple approach. Okay, if this happens and price then hits 886, then the pattern is valid. Okay, but here, if the AB equals CD measurement goes beyond X, then the pattern is invalidating. If the 161 ABC inversion goes beyond X, then the pattern is not is invalidated. Or 161A, 127, maybe 113, whichever is closer. Let me complete the pattern. Let us think that patterns were completed. So the identification is done. Now we know that to identify a harmonic Gartley pattern is a bit more difficult than to identify the advanced formation. This way it is a bad advanced formation. It's much simpler. Okay, how do we trade harmonic patterns? First of all, let's see. We have some kind of bars trending to the upside. Yes, like this. They are trending to the upside. And the last bar that crosses the last level of the potential reversal zone is called a terminal price bar. After the terminal price bar installed and it is not a reversal bar, we're looking for some next bar. And if next bar is a reversal bar, then we enter. If it is not a reversal bar, we are looking for the next bar. Maybe next bar is a reversal bar. Well, it's up to you where you will be looking for a reversal bar, but typically either a terminal price bar becomes a reversal bar, or a terminal price bar plus 1 becomes a reversal bar. Terminal plus 1 is the most common trading strategy. After that, price action should do this. If it does this, then it's okay. We simply manage our trade until we enter the IPO zone and protect our profits if needed. Okay, so what if price action does this? Wide range bar crossing the potential reversal zone? We do not enter. What if price action does this? Gaps through the potential reversal zone? We do not enter. You see that? So only when we have a terminal price bar installed, this indicates that the pattern completed. And only after the pattern completed, we are looking for some bearish candle, maybe lower close, maybe a reversal bar, maybe a spike bar, maybe one thrust day, or whatever is your favorite confirmation for a reversal would be okay. Well, if you are very conservative, you may be looking for 2 bars to complete to indicate the down trade started, but the further you wait, the less profit you are having, the closer you are to profit. So the further, the less profit you aim. So what about the advanced patterns? If price is trending through, if it crosses, then you are in with limit order. You see that? If you have a large bar, you are in because limit order is executed. If you gapped, then you are in because your broker will be executing you a bit higher. The first price that is higher than your limit order, you will be executed no matter what. So you execute it aggressively regardless of the price action. If price goes higher and higher and higher, you just hit stop loss and exit the trade according to your stop loss. And here, if price goes higher and no reversal occurs, you simply don't enter. You don't have your reversal bars. Okay, conservative approach, aggressive approach, complicated approach, sophisticated approach, simplified approach. Okay, now as for trade management, as price goes in our favor, for example, like this, we are measuring an IPO. The IPO is the Fibonacci stretched from this to the highest level, and it is the 382 to 61A area. Yes, So as price is trending there into that area, we draw our trend line, yes, and if it breaks that, we may close half of our position and start protecting our profits. So if price goes let's say sideways, and then it goes to 618, 786 or whatever, we just close second part of our position. Or if it goes this way, start trending against us, yes, we just close it at some small profit at our second position. Either way, we have some small profits. Yes. What is the trade management here? For example, we have it this way, and this way. Yes. We stretch our Fibonacci initially. The 382 is here, 618 is here. Yes. As price travels further, we restretch our fibs. That's why 382 goes a bit higher and 618 goes a bit higher. We then restretch fibs further from the same level further. It stays 382 goes a bit higher, 618 goes a bit higher. If we are lucky and it hits the 382, it will hit the higher level. If we have it remain the same, in the majority of situations we will have it this way. Boom. It will never hit. So we have to restretch this fibs. It is called the target adjustment. It is the major and primary trade management rule for advanced formation. Other than that, you simply wait, and if your 382 is hit, you close your half, break even the second half, and wait until 618 is hit. Other than that, no money management is required. Okay. So this is the main difference between the two sets of approaches, the two approaches. Once you know the difference, you know that the same exactly pattern, the same looking pattern, may be either a harmonic approach or an advanced approach. It is up to you to decide what's better for your personality, what's better suits your identity. Maybe you are a conservative trader, and you say, you know what, I would rather look for a confirmation. This way you should choose harmonic approach and stay consistent with this approach. You shouldn't trade it this way. Today I trade harmonic patterns, tomorrow I trade advanced patterns, then I trade harmonic patterns, then I trade advanced patterns. No, you should stay consistent with harmonic approach and let the edge to play out. Let your advantage to be exploited. Okay. But if you are an aggressive trader and you decide to trade advanced patterns, then you should stay within the frame of advanced patterns. You should trade with limit orders only. You should manage the targets exactly the same way, and you should identify the patterns according to advanced patterns rules. Okay, lucky you are. I collected all the rules. What is this? All the rules on my website. So the rules for harmonic patterns can be found in the books of Scott Carney, Harmonic Trader Volume 1, Harmonic Trader Volume 2, Harmonic Trader Volume 3. So 4 books: Harmonic Trader Volume 1, Harmonic Trading Volume 2, Harmonic Trading Volume 3. 4 books. You just go on my website, click that Learn the Patterns, and you will have harmonic patterns. And if you go lower, you will have advanced formations. So they are different. And you will have all those rules that I just explained to you, but in very detailed explanations, of course. That's it about my website. If you want to learn more about advanced formations, yes, well, there are no books written by Trading Power team how to identify advanced patterns. No. But there is an official pattern trading course that Trading Power provides, and the guys that recently left Trading Power, Akil Stokes, Darren Oglesby, and Jason Greystone, they started their own business on called Tier 1 Trading, and they also provide a pattern trading course. You have that access to trading courses. Well, Another way to collect that information, you can collect it little by little, watching Akil's videos, Jason Stapleton videos, Jason Greystone's videos, and simply collect one bit of information here, one bit of information there, and then compile it all together. But it is time consuming. You will because those bits of information are scattered throughout the internet. I gathered them all, as I told you, on my website. You already have them compiled into one solid strategy that explains you what you have to do. I consulted both. I interviewed Akil Stokes about this patterns, and he kindly explained me all the features of the cipher formation, and Gartley and Bat. I was asking some questions to him, and I also talked to Scott Carney as well, and Scott Carney also shared his views with me. Mostly he was repeating that cipher is not harmonic, and that's true. Cipher pattern is not harmonic. As we know that advanced patterns were derived from harmonic patterns, but it is not the whole truth. The Gartley advanced formation was derived from the Gartley pattern. The butterfly advanced formation was derived from the butterfly pattern. And Bat advanced formation was derived from the Bat pattern. But cipher advanced formation was derived from nothing. Darren Oglesby discovered cipher on his own without being derived from any other pattern. Well, what else? If you will read the books of Scott Carney, and maybe you will read the books of Larry Pesavento, some books like Trade What You See, and maybe Profitable Pattern Trading in Stock Market, or something like that, you will notice that both Scott Carney and Larry Pesavento, they confess that they found their patterns using the software. Scott Carney says that Bat pattern was found using the software. It is initially it was a variation of a Gartley pattern. Then crab pattern was found using the software. Shark pattern was found using the software. Alternative Bat pattern was found using the software. And in his book, Larry Pesavento says that Bryce Gilmer discovered the the butterfly pattern, and the butterfly was also discovered using the software. I don't remember the name of that software, but you can see that the majority of patterns we have today, be them advanced patterns or harmonic patterns, they were discovered using the software. So these are the type of patterns that can be objectively traded and discovered only using the software. That's why so many traders fail trying to trade them manually. It's not the identification of the pattern, it is more the trade execution and trade management that matters in success. And of course, risk management and psychology is very important for that. Okay, that was the quick overview of harmonic and advanced patterns, the quick history excursus. Now let's go into the markets and see what we have in our industry. Okay, if you wish to become a harmonic trader, yes, and you wish to have the same patterns that Scott Carney has, you are welcome to head over Formation Seeker, formationseeker.com, and you will be offered these plans, monthly, 3 months plans. So it is monthly subscription, and if you subscribe on monthly basis, you have access to harmonic patterns found automatically, email notifications, chat with traders, and blah blah blah, access to monitors, but you are not given the software itself. And let me put it this way: if you want the software for a year, for example, yes, although for now it looks like a very sexy price, but you want the software for a year, just multiply 12. yes, 99 multiply 12. Now it's not looking as sexy, yes. Okay, even the cheapest premium plan looks very expensive. And now let me show you how it looks like. This Aussie dollar 1 hour. Well, it shows nothing. Maybe something else will show me. Aussie Canadian. Filters. Okay, proportions. Okay, we found some pattern. You see, a bit late to trade it because it already hit some targets, obviously, yes. Well, so this is how the formation seeker works, and you can chat with other traders on here. In this, Dimitri says something, somebody else says something. So this is Formation Seeker is the official Harmonic trading software. This is the software Scott Carney uses for his trading. This is the software, this is his official software. And the price was that. Let's go to pricing, 99, 150 and 300. Okay, that's it. Well, if you say, you know what, I want to be an aggressive trader, and you say I want to have an advanced pattern software, well, you are welcome. You can do it two ways. The old way is to purchase the Constellation software from Trade Empowered, from tradeempowered.com software. You see the software of Trade Empowered. This is the official software. It is called the Constellation software. It identifies Gottlieb, bad cipher, butterfly, pattern formation, real-time trading, performs back testing. It is the new feature. New historical pattern formation indication. It is new historical feature to find backtesting patterns. Okay, then you will become a profitable trader and blah blah blah. So the promises, and the cost is for 2,497. Yes, this is for advanced pattern software. And another way to get some advanced pattern software is to go here to tier1trading.com. This is the new company started by Akil, Darren and Greystone, and you see this is the explanation of the software, and it is also monthly subscription software. You can subscribe it as much as $297, I suppose. Let's go try to sign up. $297, I think. Yes, $297, and you get the access to that trading courses, to chat, trading charts, and to trading software as well. You are not given the file. You don't have.
All right, guys.
license.
I wanted to.
Let me stop this video. Darren explains here his new website, and what I'm interested in is in this software. Yes. So let's do kind of quick comparison. I also have the software. You see that I have my software that is called Monster Pattern Search. It is manual, it is automatic version, and it is Monster Pattern Search 3, Monster Pattern Search Pro. I have 3 of them. Okay, so let's do the comparison. Simply, what is this? The advanced pattern. Yes.
Our indicator, which again that's our
let's
current live patterns. You can also go back and do back testing with it to show historical patterns. So if you want to do that just with a click of a button, let's go ahead and turn the history on. That'll turn our live off, and now immediately you see every single.
Okay, perfect. So we have the software that draws some patterns. We have a butterfly pattern. Cool, it is this. Then we have a Gottlieb pattern. Cool, it is this. Then we have that losing cipher pattern. Then we have this winning cipher pattern. We have a bit larger butterfly pattern. We have this enormously large bat pattern, and we have that losing. What is that? I suppose it is a butterfly pattern. Okay. Well, let's go to charts. Let's go. Oh, by the way, what is the chart? The chart says pound Aussie 15 minutes. Pound Aussie 15 minutes. Okay, let's go here. pound Aussie, euro dollar, pound Aussie for hour, 15 minutes. Perfect. And let me run Monster Pattern Search Pro version 4. Here I would say 500 bars to be analyzed, advanced patterns. I'm only looking for advanced patterns, yes, because we compare the software of advanced patterns for advanced patterns. Okay, and what we have the same patterns. Winning Gartley pattern, losing cipher pattern. This bad pattern is not displayed there on the website. We see we don't have that bad pattern because it never complete, but I still have the patterns that don't complete. This bad pattern is not displayed because it never complete. So you see we don't have any bad pattern here. So I still have it. And let me show you some other feature. If we switch the swing identification algorithm from large to extra large, and you know, guys, you don't need to always switch the algorithm from large to extra large. Simply attach one indicator running large algorithm, another indicator running extra large algorithm. So I will explain it in my next video, the features, how to use the software. Yes, you will see different patterns. The larger butterfly, yes, we had a Gartley in previous, yes, and now we have larger butterfly here, and also larger gray butterfly here. You can see that larger butterfly here. This is pretty cool. Simply my software required 2 algorithms to be switched. I did that on purpose, switching the algorithms, because you may fine-tune the software. Instead of showing you all the patterns being small, medium, large, extra large, I gave you the right to choose between them. So if you find some patterns working better on this pair, let's say small patterns work better, then it's up to you. Okay, as for that enormously large pattern, simply let's go to 1 hour, maybe 30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour and smaller algorithm. No, 30 minutes. Okay, this large algorithm. Perfect. Okay, we have this. Okay, on 1 hour, that enormously large pattern that is drawn on 15 minutes. There, you see that enormously large pattern is the same pattern is found on 1 hour. So it doesn't actually matter on what time frame you have, but the fact is that the pattern is the same. Okay, so let's go back to 15 minutes to have our pictures. So that's it about advanced formations. Now, you know that my software draws the patterns according to advanced formation rules. There are some differences maybe in choosing the legs in the algorithms, small identification algorithm, large identification algorithms. This is a bit of creativity, yes, but well, you are to decide. $297 subscription for this, to have that software, and not for lifetime license, but only access to this software. Okay, this is done. Or you can purchase the same software. The same constellation is the same as Enigma. It draws the same patterns because the same guys did it, but you can purchase it for lifetime license and you will have the file. Or if you are looking for some harmonic trading, yes, what is this? Aussie Canadian 1 hour. Let's go Aussie Canadian 1 hour. We have Aussie Canadian. Do I have? I don't have it here. Monster Pattern Search 4.9. And look what I need to do. I need to switch this to harmonic patterns. Yes, you know that we just switched the approaches to harmonic patterns. And let the algorithm be medium. Medium is one of the most commonly used algorithms to find the patterns. And in order not to overload you with the patterns, I will disable Gartleys, I will disable crabs, I will disable deep crabs. What are those? Butterflies. I will disable alternatives, sharks, shark 2. So simply disable them all. Let me go back to see what is this pattern. It is a bat pattern. You see, bat pattern. Okay, perfect. It is called the bat pattern. So I only will leave the bat pattern. So you will see if it can find the same bat pattern that is displayed. Yes, it can. A miracle. Okay, let us go into some deeper details. As you know that the harmonic patterns are simply the confluence of Fibonacci calculations. We need 3 lines to converge. We need X to A ratio, we need BC inversion, and alternative AB equals CD pattern to converge at the same level. Okay, so let's go to find the first level. X to A ratio is 99.31.9 and I have 99.31.7. It is 2 decimals of pip difference. Why do we have this difference? Maybe because of difference in quotes within the brokers, yes? Okay, the second level, BC to D, yes, BC inversion. It is 99.34.9. 99.34.9. My second level is 99.34.8. 1 decimal of pip difference. You see, actually it is the same level. You may be sure it is the same level. And the last level is 161A A to B measurement. It is 99.37.6. 99.37, yes. So it is 99.37 and 3 decimal difference. So the pattern is exactly the same. Exactly the same that is drawn by formation seeker. So you are simply to decide. What's interesting about my software versus the 2 software, that you can switch it. You see, you have 2 in 1. You have harmonic and advanced. You see that? Instead of buying 2 indicators, you only need 1. Okay, if you're still not convinced, let's go to find something else. What other pairs we have? Forex. What is the most common one? Euro dollar? Euro dollar. Oh, we have this butterfly, and it is a losing butterfly. Looks like large butterfly, I suppose. Okay, let me open the lines. Large butterfly, perfect. Let's go euro dollar. 1 hour. Oh, need to attach the indicator. MPS Pro 4, large algorithm, harmonic, and then I need to disable everything. Yes, simply to isolate that butterfly. Of course, you will be given very many patterns if you enable them all, and it will be kind of messy. So I simply want to isolate to give you the same picture we have with formation seeker. Okay, here's the butterfly pattern. Let us compare the numbers. Okay, the number of B2C XA, it is 2317. B2C XA 2317. Perfect. Okay, the number of 127 A to B, AB equals CD, it is 2302. The A equal B, 2302 and 3, yes? And the only difference is the B to C inversion, I suppose. The formation seeker says the B to C inversion is 2308, and my monster pattern search says that the B to C inversion is 2298. So the slight difference, 2308, a bit different inversion here. But it doesn't really matter, because you know that the pattern is only activated when the last line of potential reversal zone is hit. The calculations are the same, and the algorithms are very, very similar to calculate the patterns. If you want more examples, let's go and I don't know what else. We have Forex, Aussie dollar 1 hour. What is this? Winning Gartley pattern. Yes, I like that Gartley because it is a winner. Aussie dollar Gartley pattern. Let's go. Do I have Aussie dollar in my portfolio, or I need to load it from somewhere else? Indicate I need to attach monster pattern search. It should be Harmonic, and I think Aussie dollar is a large. Okay, it is pretty large. And let me have Gartley pattern true. I will disable everything else to isolate this pattern, only to show you that Gartley, because we are concentrated on that Gartley only. Okay, disable cipher. Cipher is not harmonic, so it won't work because the harmonic pattern here. So the software is very smart. If you enable let's say advanced patterns, and then you go and enable crab and deep crab, they will be true. It won't draw them because you enable advanced patterns, and you know that crabs and deep crabs are not advanced patterns at all. Okay, we have this Gartley, the Gartley. Let us look at some numbers. The large bull Gartley XA is 79.62.2. By the way, this black arrow, this black price is the most important one. A price at least should hit this line before we say that the pattern is working. Okay, 79.62, 79.62. What do we have here? Okay, what is that? 79.61 and 4. Other lines are slightly deeper. The B2C inversion goes deeper, and according to this, we slightly hit that. Yes, there was entry. Okay, the 113 AB equals CD goes to 79.62, and my AB equals CD measurement goes to 79.63, 63.0. Okay, 62.63, and B to BC inversion goes to 79.57. My BC inversion goes to where? My BC inversion goes higher. It is somewhere here. 79.67 is from the website. My went a bit higher, giving you a wider potential reversal zone. But the fact is, no matter what is the difference, the difference is what are the differences that causes that slight differences. First of all, we may start calculating from here, calculating the pattern from here, or we may start calculating it from here. You see that? If we calculate that from here, we will have slightly different reversal zones because this is slightly further. Or we may start calculating it from here. You see that? Something like this. Where was it? It was there. Yes. Logically, it looks like that it is better to calculate from here. But if you look here, what you see, it's not logical. It calculates from the second low, not from the first low. You see that? So, although we have the same patterns, we have some variations. We can start from here and we can start from there. We have the some variation. We are utilizing the same rules, the rules for harmonic patterns, and be sure these rules are displayed on my website. Exactly the same way the software works, exactly the same way the official harmonic software works, and exactly the same way official advanced pattern software works. So the only difference is that my software has both. First, my software has very many powerful features that will be explained in the next video, and the next, my software is a lifetime purchase. So you don't need to pay monthly, 200 monthly, then pay 200 next month, 200 next month, and in the end of the year you will end up paying thousands. So you don't need to to do that. It is one final purchase. If I have updates, you can see it here. Currently the newest one is the MPS Pro 4.0. You are notified about the updates. You see, currently I've been using 3.9. I'm not even deleted them from my MetaTrader because I'm testing both and comparing the differences, either it became better or not. And 3.9, 3.9. So soon the most fresh will be available for my customers. If you already have the 3.9, if you have 3.8, either manual 3.8, automatic 3.8, or Monster Pattern Search 3.8, you are welcome to request for an update. It is absolutely free. Absolutely free, and it will work exactly under the same circumstances, under the same conditions that 3.9 was working. Okay, well, that's it. Quick overview and kind of teaser of what my software is capable for. And if you want more details, watch the next video. It will be a full tutorial on how to use my software to find the best trading opportunities, how to backtest patterns, how to trade management, how to do your trade management, how to execute your trades, how to use strategy tester for visual testing of your software. And also you will be given the backtesting performance of the software that I had testing 18 years, for the period of 18 years, on 1 hour and 4 hour time frames, and finding 11,000 of patterns. So stay tuned. Go to my next video. It should be next to this one, and it is called Monster Pattern Search demonstration video. Okay, the introductory video is over. I wish to see you in the next video.